We got Warthog down here with the Bears. Your names are on the left, your teams are on the right. Again, Warthog with the Bears. Good luck to everybody in this break. Get your guesses in for the player on the last auto of the break. If you guess the player on the last auto, you will get 20 in credit using our store for any breaks, packs, or boxes. How's it going, Grady? Good to see you here. Good luck, everybody. Let's get started on this one. Excuse me. So we got 10 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. This is first off the line hobby box. 2 autos, 2 mims per box on average. We'll have those first off the line exclusives in here as well. So get those guesses in for the player on the last auto for 20 in credit. You do not have to be in the break to guess. So if you're watching, get those guesses in. This is break number 1 of the night. Our certified first off the line hobby PYT 119. We start off with Tyreek Hill. Is going to the Dolphins spot. How about a Joey Bosa? Zach Ertz. And we have, get a reporter card, Myles Garrett on our gold team. How about a Devonta Adams out of 75? Going to the Raiders spot, 58 out of 75. They're on the gold team, or the blue numbered parallel there. Next pack. Flip this one around. We'll go through our base. We got Grady Jarrett, Lamar Jackson, we have Tyler Scott. That's going to be a numbered parallel out of 325 for the Bears spot. 321 out of 325. And then we have our patch. That is going to be Tank Bigsby. Mark that. That is out of 99. 77 out of 99 on the Tank Bigsby patch. We have a patch auto of Tank Bigsby out of our last certified non-first off the line. Is that Tyler Scott as well? Up next will be our Prism Hobby Box break. 2023 Prism Hobby. There's Micah Parson on the calling cards. We have Baker Mayfield, Justin Fields, TJ Hawkinson. We got Deuce Vaughn. Ooh, that's 3 out of 5 on the Deuce Vaughn. 3 out of 5 on the Deuce Vaughn right there. I don't know if this was our first off the line exclusive, a lot thicker than the others. It's actually my first of the first off the lines I've opened. We had a 1-1 Deuce Vaughn out of Origins Blasters the other night. Now we got a Deuce Vaughn out of 5 here. There's a Kit Reporter card. How about a Travis Kelce out of 249 on the calling cards? 157 out of 249. What's up, Sean? How's it going? Good to see you back. We will be back next Tuesday as well for breaks, guys. So grab your spots in those breaks and any breaks coming up. We've got the link pinned to the top of the chat. We are full for tonight. There's Josh Jacobs, Kevon Thibodeau. We got CD Lamb. And we have, the Jags are making out in this one. Here's our second mem. That's a thick one right there. Out of 30, 10 out of 30. Two-color Trevor Lawrence mem right there. Grab the thick sleeves. For the Jags, we have our Immortals. That is Dan Marino. Our next pack. Start off with Geno Smith, Deshaun Watson, Tony Pollard, and how about a Jaden Reed? Patch auto right there out of 25, 16 out of 25. What a nice box this has been so far. 16 out of 25 on the freshman fabric. Jaden Reed for the Packers spot. Congrats to the Packers. Nice little green and white right there. Get those guesses in for the player on the last auto. There's a Kid Reporter card. Christian McCaffrey on the franchise foundations. Next pack. Start off with Treylon Burks, Christian Wilkins, Aaron Jones. And then we got Jones here. Then we got Tyreek Hill on the certified stars. Our next numbered parallel, that is Fred Warner out of 199, 150 out of 199 on the pink Fred Warner. Going to Sam Fran. 4 packs left. Patrick Surtain. Derrick Henry. Desmond Ridder. There's Tanner McKee. That is out of 275. 272 out of 275. And we have a gold team of Jalen Hurts. Kid Reporter. There's Justin Tucker out of 199 on the gold team pink. 187 out of, oh, there's our other auto. That is Doug Williams out of 99. 26 out of 99 on the Doug Williams auto. I believe that should be our last auto. If not, your guesses will count towards any other autos we may have in there. Well, I doubt we had any Doug Williams guesses. There's DJ Moore, Devin White, Roquan Smith. Last 2 packs. Brian Burns, Adam Thielen, Nick Bosa. There's Cordero Patterson out of 15, 12 out of 15. One of the first off the lines. And then how about a Joe Burrow calling cards? Going to the Bengals. Kid Reporter card. Got 1 pack left. 12 out of 15 on the Cordero for Atlanta. Let's just open this last pack. Then we'll top load the rest. We'll do our recap. We'll move on to Prism Hobby. Excited for that one. How about an Immortals Ben Roethlisberger for Pittsburgh? Big Ben right there. What a DJ Moore for the Bears out of 349. 336 out of 349 on the DJ Moore. Cooper Kupp. James Conner. And Derek Stingley Jr. Let's top load these. Thanks to everybody who hopped into that break, everybody who got their guesses in. We're going to give away 20 in credit tonight. I can feel it. Somebody's going to guess the right player on one of these autos or parallels, whatever we have guessed next. All right, let's do our recap. Then we'll move on to the Prism Hobby Break, which is PYT 118 coming up next. This was our 23 certified first off the line, PYT 119. Out of 275, we had Tanner McKee for the Eagles. Out of 199 on the gold team, we had Justin Tucker. Out of 199, Fred Warner. Out of 349, DJ Moore. Out of 15, 12 out of 15, Cordero Patterson. Doug Williams was out of 99, 26 out of 99. I feel like we pulled one of his autos out of here before. Out of 25, 10 out of 25, the Jaden Reed freshman fabric patch auto. Got the dual color, green and white right there. Trevor Lawrence on the two-color patch. Out of 30, this is 10 out of 30. Trevor Lawrence, one of the Jags. Then out of 249, Travis Kelce. 3 out of 5, Deuce Vaughn, one of our first off the line exclusive. 3 out of 325, rookie Tyler Scott for the Bears. Out of 75, the blue Devonta Adams. And then our new generation Tank Bigsby rookie patch out of 99, 77 out of 99 there. All right, guys, that does it for break number 1. Up next is our